It is New Year's Eve, almost 8 p.m. and we're in Coronado, heading towards Hotel del Coronado, a place that I used to work for exactly 4 years. How's it going?
Good, how are you? How's your night?
Great. How's your night?
I'm James. Welcome to the Hotel Del.
Hi, James.
How are you?
I used to work here.
Oh, really? What department?
The elevator. I used to work in the elevator for 4 years, an overnight bellman.
Oh, nice.
Before they renovated it.
So you know Bobby the bellman, you know all this guy Andrew.
Andrew Lounsbury, yes.
What are you doing now?
I work for the post office in Carlsbad.
Oh, nice. Nice routes, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's nice to meet you.
You too, James.
I'm James the doorman. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good evening. And this is the world famous Hotel Del, built in 1888. My employment at the Hotel del Coronado was from January 27, 2011 to January 27, 2015. If you're planning a trip to the Hotel Del, please be advised that the main Victorian building will be closed for approximately 1 year, starting in January 2024. They're going to be doing a major renovation of the hotel to bring it up to modern day standards, where the hotel rooms and the other facilities inside the building is going to be renovated. The only place to ice skate at the beach in Southern California yearly from Thanksgiving to New Year's week. If you'd like to see a complete tour of the Hotel del Coronado, we have a video available on our channel, so make sure to check it out from a former employee's perspective. This trip to the Hotel del Coronado on New Year's Eve 2023 was a spur of the moment thing, and my wife and I just wondered what it would be like to spend the New Year's Eve at the Hotel Del, since we've never done that before. So if you're interested in doing the same thing, here's what you can expect next year. The renovations in the Victorian building in the rooms, the crown room and the ballroom will begin on January 8th. But the exterior walls of the Hotel Del will not be touched, for the Hotel Del is a national landmark protected by federal law. These hanging lights coming up in the trees, they've only been doing this for a few years now, and this has been a major attraction ever since they started doing this about 3-4 years ago. Now we're at the Coronado Ferry Landing Pier, since we still had about 3 hours left in 2023. Overlooking downtown San Diego. New Year's Eve 2023. Waiting for 2024 to come in. Coronado Bridge in the background over there. Hilton Bayfront Convention Center in downtown San Diego with the various hotels and office buildings. And way off in the distance with those colorful lights is the USS Midway, number 41. I'm having a chicken pot pie for my last dinner in the year 2023. Happy New Year! I was surprised that KFC was still open at about 9:30 p.m. Yummy! So here we are, honey, at the end of 2023. About 2.5 minutes left in the year 2023. And never brought to mind. Should all the acquaintance be forgot in years of hindsight? For old lang syne, dear, for old lang syne. To all our subscribers and viewers and future subscribers, we wish you a happy new year, and we would like to leave you with this blessing. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear. For old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. And finally, I would like to take the time to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, Super Dave out. God bless you. Happy New Year. Hey guys, life is a picture, so let's get out there and shoot some videos. Be sure to check out some of our other adventures. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching Super Dave's Family Adventures. Please hit that like button and subscribe, leave a comment and share. Thank you, God bless. And until next time, Super Dave out.